RURBACT is an EU project focused on urban gardens, and we ask you, Giulio, about your point of view about the global food security in your experience.
I think we have to point our attention to the future. The food system of the future will be intimately connected to urbanization trends and patterns. Future urbanization will evolve through rurbanization, the progressive transformation of rural into urban areas, or a metropolitan models that will emerge, will generate a new city-countryside mesh of interactions, providing urban consumers with high nutritional value foods like vegetables, fruits, poultry, and dairy. This type of short food chain will have a positive impact on environment, rural development, and urban health. The huge urban demand for carbohydrates-based products, grains, for example, will continue to be satisfied mainly by the interregional and or global market. So I think that school and urban gardens are connected with a healthy diet on SDGs. So this type of project could be involved in helping make it happen, making this connection.
Thank you very much, Giulio.